let's check out the news.
Oh, hey you! Are you tired to eat only simple ramen? Oh, then I have the solution. Got Noobles! My new book can help you. Count now 555 Noobles and get yours.
Oh, hell yeah! Yes, I'm calling about the cup noodle. Yes, I want one. I need to deliver it as soon as possible. Thanks. It's finally here! It's amazing. It comes with a seal of approval of that guy. Well, let's cook! Alright, let's do this! Let's see. Well, I've got these ingredients. Let's see what I got on my fridge. Alright, let's see what we got. So first, we need an egg. Here it is. That'll work. Now we need cheese. Alright, I have this one. That'll work. Now I need this thing, which we don't have a name in English, but we'll do it anyway. Now the final ingredient. Oh yes. The ramen noodles.
Can you see? I saved this guy life, and I can save yours. If you count now, I give you my book with 100 more recipes about ramen and a special gift. My new vodka Waiboroa with a seal of approval. Count now and guarantee yours.
Well, I guess all that hard work finally paid off, right? That's pretty good. Thanks, man. You saved my life.
You're welcome.